If your car suddenly stalls out while you are merging onto a busy American freeway, or if it simply refuses to start in your driveway one morning, you might be dealing with the P0232 trouble code. This diagnostic code indicates a high voltage condition in the fuel pump secondary circuit, which is basically the feedback loop that tells your computer if the fuel pump is actually working correctly. When you turn your key, the powertrain control module sends a signal to the fuel pump relay to kick the pump into gear, but it also monitors the secondary side of that circuit to ensure everything is flowing as it should. If it sees a voltage that is too high, it knows something is wrong, and it might cut fuel delivery entirely for safety reasons. You will definitely notice the symptoms because your engine will likely crank but never fire up, or it might die suddenly while you are driving, which can be a very dangerous situation. The check engine light will be your first warning sign, but the lack of fuel pressure is the real problem here. Common causes for this high voltage reading include a short to power in the wiring harness or a faulty fuel pump relay that is stuck in the closed position. In some cases, the fuel pump itself has an internal electrical fault, or the inertia switch, which is a safety feature in many domestic cars, has been tripped or damaged. To get to the bottom of this, you should start by checking the fuel pump fuse and the relay in your engine bay power center. Listen for the characteristic hum of the fuel pump for 2 seconds when you first turn the ignition to the on position. If you do not hear it, you will need to get under the vehicle with a digital multimeter to see if power is actually reaching the pump. Checking for pinched wires along the frame rail is also a vital step because a wire rubbing against the metal can easily cause a high voltage short. Because fuel is highly flammable and the electrical system is complex, this is often a job for a professional if you are not experienced with automotive electronics. Getting this fixed quickly is essential not just for your car's health, but for your own safety on the road, so do not ignore those warning signs. Once you have repaired the wiring or replaced the faulty relay, your vehicle should return to its reliable self and keep that fuel flowing exactly where it needs to go for peak performance.